Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to tell the difference between MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. Today, we're diving into the world of MacBook laptops and exploring how to distinguish between the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. If you're in the market for a new MacBook, but feeling a bit confused about which model suits you best, you've come to the right place. Let's learn how to tell the difference between MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. Performance. MacBook Pro offers higher computing power with advanced, compared to MacBook Air's standard processors, ideal for demanding tasks like video editing and graphic design. Design and portability. MacBook Air is thinner and lighter, making it more portable for on-the-go use, while MacBook Pro is slightly bulkier but offers larger display options. Price. MacBook Pro is generally more expensive due to its enhanced features and performance capabilities, whereas MacBook Air is more budget-friendly. Connectivity. MacBook Pro comes with more ports, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and SDXC card slots, while MacBook Air has fewer ports. Battery life. MacBook Pro tends to have slightly longer battery endurance, especially with the larger models, compared to the MacBook Air. Processing power. MacBook Pro models offer superior processing power and graphics performance compared to MacBook Air models. Memory and storage. MacBook Pro can be configured with higher RAM and storage compared to MacBook Air, which typically offers lower maximum configurations. Cooling system. MacBook Pro models are equipped with a more robust cooling system, allowing for sustained performance during intensive tasks, whereas MacBook Air relies on passive cooling. Target audience. MacBook Pro is targeted towards professionals and power users who require top-tier performance, whereas MacBook Air is more suited for students, casual users, and those prioritizing portability. These key factors will help you distinguish between the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, and choose the one that best fits your needs and preferences. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.